Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Poco Mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Poco Mobile guys face lock setting, and today video title guys how to remove face lock in Poco Mobile. Friends, you want to remove face lock in your Poco Mobile. So friends, now let's see how to remove face lock one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your device password security setting. After turn on your phone password and security setting, open your phone face lock setting. Use your device password, use your pin lock password. You have pin password, you can use pin password, and you have pattern lock, so draw pattern. Next option, you can select your face lock data and you can remove face lock in your Poco Mobile. And if you click here add face lock, so friends, enter your device password and you can use two face lock. You can unlock your Poco Mobile with two face lock. So friends, we will remove face lock. Select your face lock data, remove or delete option, click here OK option, face lock will remove, and you cannot unlock your Poco Mobile with face lock. Again you want to use face lock setting, enter your device password. Next option, start option, show your face. You can add face data and you can use it. Next, add your face and you can add face lock and you can use it. And you don't want to use guys face lock setting, you want to your fingerprint lock setting. Tap your fingerprint setting, use your device password to continue. Next, add your finger. You can add fingerprint and you can unlock mobile with fingerprint. So like that friends, we can remove face lock in Poco Mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.